how to install Skyglass on Firestick. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install at the same time Skyglass on your Firestick or your Fire TV. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do, since Skyglass ain't available in App Store that is currently built in on your Fire TV, all I have to do is just simply pull up settings and make sure that all unknown file sources is enabled so that you can download and install third-party apps. Now pull up your app store that is built in on your Fire Stick and then just simply download this application right here, which is going to be the downloader for TV. This is going to be your tool for you to be able to have or to download Skyglass. So you just simply type in Skyglass in the search box and then you should be able to find it and simply install it. And that's how you install Skyglass and Fire Stick.